Hello everyone. We were discussing how to write a formal letter. So, as we have already discussed letter to the editor about some problem of local area or some social issue. And yesterday we discussed letter for inquiring about some product or service. So, today we are going to discuss how to write a letter for placing an order. Once you have inquired about some product or service and you are satisfied with all the conditions, now you are going to place an order for the product. Okay, so let's discuss how to write a letter for ordering a product or service. So, as you all know, the format of all the formal letters will remain the same. Okay, first of all, we will write down the sender's address. In sender's address, we will mention only and only the address. No name or designation will be mentioned in sender's address. Okay, here the sender's address is given in the statement. For example, the statement is given: suppose you are Ria / Rohan, computer in charge of Army Public School, Hisar. Your school wishes to buy 20 computers and accessories from Apple Inc., Nehru Place, New Delhi. Draft a letter for placing an order for the same. So here, as you all know, the sender's address is the name of the institution on the behalf of which you are writing the letter for placing an order. Okay, so it is Army Public School, Hisar. Then we will write down the date, and the date should be the on which you are writing the letter. You will write down the present date on which you are writing the letter. So we are writing the letter, it will be 21st May 2021. After that, we will write down the receiver's address with proper designation. Here the receiver is, who is the receiver? We are writing our letter to Apple Inc., Nehru Place, New Delhi. So the designation will be Messrs. Apple Inc. Okay, Nehru Place, New Delhi. So this is the format: sender's address, date, receiver's address. Then it comes the subject. You can write down the subject like placing an order for whatever item you are going to place an order. Here we are placing an order for computer and computer accessories, or it can be also written as supply of computer and computer accessories. Okay, then salutation: dear sir. And body of the letter, we start the body of the letter as we have already started in inquiring about some goods or service. Okay, the starting will remain the same. First of all, we will introduce ourselves, on which whose behalf we are writing the letter. I am the computer in charge of APS Hisar. We are in need of 20 computers and their accessories for our school. Please provide us the following items. After that, please provide us following items. You will write down the items in a table format. Okay, this is very much important for you to clarify your order, as because it is a financial issue. You are going to pay for your order, so it is very much necessary that your order should be neat and clean. There must not be any confusion regarding the items or whatever the quantity you are going to demand, or any brand name if you have mentioned. For example, if you are writing these items in a form of paragraph, for example, you are writing, I need LED monitor, 20 LED monitors, 20 keyboards. Okay, so in paragraph form, there may be chances of missing something, or there may be some create some confusion regarding quantity or brand or any type of item. So the necessity of making a table is that your order must be clean and clear. There must not be any confusion regarding your product demanded or any other confusion in quantity or brand name. So while creating a table, there will be 3 columns in each and every letter. Whatever the product you are ordering, there must be 3 columns. First of all, serial number, then name of the item, whatever the products you are going to order, you will mention in name of the items, then quantity, in how much quantity you are going to order that item, and then if you know about the brand name, then mention the particular brand for which you are going to make your purchase. If you don't know about the brand, there may be some products about whose brands you don't know, then it's okay, don't mention the name of the brand. You can write down here that please provide us the best brand. Okay, if you just, it is simple that if you know about the brand, then mention it in the column. If you don't know about the brand, then no need to mention it. Okay, so it can be serial number, brand name. In case there can be different kinds of items that you are going to purchase, here we are going to purchase computer and computer accessories. For example, if you are going to purchase some books, then write down the name of the books. You can also mention class for which you are going to purchase these books. You can also write down, mention the publication or the writer's name of which the books are required, NCERT or any special writer's name. Okay, or in any type of product. For example, you are going to purchase some garments, etc. So in the name of the item, you can write down shirts, trousers, sweatshirts. Okay, quantity will always be remain there, and after that you can also mention brand. If you know about any brand, then you can mention here the brand, and you can also mention the size. Okay, so this table will change according to your product, but these 3 columns will remain in every table: serial number, item, quantity. Okay, any other detail if you want to add on, then you can, beta. Okay, the only purpose of making a table is to make your order very clear. There may be not any confusion in your order. After that, once you have made the table, you have ordered the items, you have described all the items that you are going to purchase. After that, in each and every letter of placing an order, you can write down 2 or 3 lines. These lines will remain the same for each and every letter. You can write down all the computer items should be in perfect conditions. Here we are ordering computer and computer accessories. If the product is some other product you are going to purchase, for all the products it is essential that it should be in good condition. There must not be any tear and wear or any defective item in your order. Okay, so this line is same for all the letters you are writing for placing an order, that all the items should be in a good condition. Then you will mention about your delivery time. Delivery should be made within 10 days, 1 week, 15 days, whatever time you want to give. You can mention here that delivery should be made within how much time. Then you will also mention the mode of payment. How will you pay for that, for your order? Payment shall be made through check, it may be through by cash on delivery, or any mode of payment you can mention here. And after that, as you are making your purchase in bulk, you are purchasing your items in a large quantity, so you can ask for a discount also. Okay, so because for a large quantity it is possible for the seller also to give you a discount. because the margin, or you can say benefit of seller is also large in case of large selling. So he can provide you maximum discount. You can ask for the optimal or maximum discount also on your purchase. Okay, so these are 2 or 3 lines that you can mention in each and every letter which you are writing for ordering some goods or service. Then thank you, yours truly, signature and the name, whatever the name mentioned in your statement. Okay, so this is the letter that you will write for ordering some goods or service. Okay beta, let's revise its format once again. First of all you will write down the sender's address, then date on which you are writing the letter. After that you will write down the receiver's address beginning with the designation. Then you will write down the subject, supply of whatever the item, or placing an order for whatever the product you are going to purchase. Then dear sir, salutation sir, respected sir, whatever. After that body of your letter will start. First of all you will introduce yourself, on which institute, on behalf of which institution you are going to write the letter. Then you will make a table in which you will mention the product name, the quantity. If you know about the brand, then you can also mention the brand name or any other essential detail that you want to mention here. You can make your order clear in a table. After that you will write down 2 or 3 lines like all the items should be in good condition. You can write about the mode of payment, and you can ask for some discount also. Then yours truly, signature and name. Okay beta, so this is the format for the formal letter writing you are going to write for placing an order. Okay, I hope you understand it well. Okay beta, have a nice day.